name is J. Christopher Hamilton, the Industry Esquire, and welcome to the Brooklyn Boardroom Bootcamp on the basics of a television production deal. I've spent about 20 years working in the entertainment business as a lawyer for companies like Viacom, Disney, Lionsgate, Time Warner, now known as Warner Media. I've done deals with brands like VH1, ABC, MTV, Nickelodeon, Cartoon Network, Laugh Out Loud, Adult Swim. One of the things that I realized in doing this business is that a lot of people in the creative space aren't experienced in how to do deals or can't afford to hire an experienced attorney to negotiate their deal. So that's why I designed these trainings to give you the insight to make sure you're making the fair deal if you don't have the help of a lawyer on your team. This training will be focused on the primary deal terms such as fees, back-end participation, credits, attachments, and the key rights.